Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto login option on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the home button down below in the left side and click on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon next to the X icon at the top. And here you can find this login section, including the auto login feature, meaning that you will be logged in automatically when the app is opened. And this feature must be turned on to use the PIN or biometric authentication. So tap on this button in the right side and then the auto login feature will be enabled. If you want to disable it, just come back to this section and tap on the same button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.